South African law binds everyone in our country. Everyone, including presidents, pastors, kings, queens, the rich and the poor. In fact, we all are just legal subjects of the South African legal system. In South Africa, we have two kinds of legal subjects. The first type is called a natural person. The term natural person refers to all human beings who are born alive. So it really doesn't matter how tall or short you are, whether you are rich or poor, fat or thin. The rule is all human beings born alive are regarded as natural persons. Therefore, to be a natural person in South Africa, all you just got to do is to be born alive. Once you have been born alive, even just for a few seconds, the law gives you what is called legal personality. Legal personality means that you are now capable of having your own rights and duties. For example, an unborn child generally has no rights or duties. Do you think an unborn child has a right to life? Or what would happen if you shot at a pregnant woman with the intention of killing the unborn child? In one reported case, a man wanted to kill his unborn child. He then organized a hitman to shoot his girlfriend in the belly with the intention of killing the unborn child. To avoid being suspected, he also told the hitman to shoot but not kill him. On the day of the trial, this man and his hitman were both found not guilty of murdering the unborn child because it was not born alive, and therefore had not yet qualified to have its own independent rights. The next type of legal subject recognized in South African law is a juristic person. Unlike a natural person, a juristic person is not a human being. You probably know Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple. But have you ever wondered why it was possible for his own company to fire him? Or have you ever wondered why the company Apple, and many other companies continue to exist even after the death of the founders? Well, some companies can do this, simply because they are regarded as juristic persons. Our law recognizes the following entities as juristic persons. Number 1. Associations incorporated in terms of general enabling legislation. These include companies, banks, mutual banks, closed corporations, and cooperatives. Number 2. Associations especially created and recognized as juristic persons in separate legislation. For example, universities or semi-state organizations like the South African Broadcasting Corporation. Lastly, our law recognizes associations which comply with the common law requirements for the recognition of legal personality of a juristic person. At common law, such juristic persons are known as universitates. For them to qualify and be recognized as a juristic person at common law, the following requirements must be met. Number 1. The association must have a continuous existence irrespective of the fact that its members may vary. Number 2. It must have rights, duties and capacities or be able to have rights, duties and capacities independent of those belonging to the founding members. And lastly, its object must not be the acquisition of gain. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest content. Thank you for watching my advocate.